Okay, so we got our track going on here. The guitars sound pretty cool. I like the way the guitars are feeling. So what I want to do next here is I'm going back to here, and I want to slow this virus thing up. Now, that's the cool effect we got going on. So from side to side, as you can see here in the effect. Now here it says guitar delay, so it's going into the guitar delay effect. So this way it'll have that similar sound, similar delay, and when it dissipates, it will dissipate at the same time as the guitar effect does. So it'll sound good in the mix, and we know when it comes out, it'll come out at the same time, so I have no problem with that. And I'm using about a -8 dB, so it's not loud, but fairly loud enough input into that guitar, and it is post fader. Okay, good. Now, I've got a little sound here, which is this percussion drum fill. A couple of samples left, a couple of samples right. There's just two samples in this left and right. And it's sort of in time, and they're matched up totally. And so I'm using an effect on the two here, which is called the air box, talk box effect here. I want to do this here. Sort of that kind of effect going on. But I want to automate it. I don't want to sit here and do it by hand and move the mouse up and down. It's like a little too cheesy to be doing. It's like really ridiculous. So I want to really just automate this effect and make it happen naturally. And here's my automation plugin enable. Okay, so what I want to automate is this thing here, the format. I'll add it here. See that? We add that right in there. That's added to my plugin automation. Now I'm able to automate that plugin with the mix. See, now this is safe. That's on and off. You see that? That's my save button. Automation save. So I can hit it and do something and not have it affect the automation yet until I'm ready to actually do the automation. So what I'm going to do is probably is just going to just test it out, get an idea, and then we want to automate that section to go along with the rest of the track. Now that's how this works. We're going to go back here into the window, and that effect is right here. Right. And now I'll move it over to this window a little bit more. And here we got some things we can automate. And see right here, the bottom it says percussion effect automate. And see that? We can automate this. We can go right here. We can go to format, and bam. It's right there. Now I can automate that effect. I can select the area I want to automate it in. I'm going to make it larger so I can see it better. I'm going to maybe do a large sweep with it. You never know. So I'm going to make sure you can see it properly. There's right in front of me. Now let's move this out the way. I don't even need to see this right now. I'll move it over to the side just a little bit. And I know that I'm in the section I want to automate it in right here. See that? So I can start from, let's say, right here. So I want to automate it right about here when it gets in again. So what I can do here, I can just, let's say, grab a mouse, get a 3-point pencil here. Let's get a mouse. Let's get that little piece I want to start from here. Make sure I'm in grid mode. I want to start it here in the grid, obviously. And then I want to probably make it go up somewhat. But I don't want to do that. It's taking the whole thing up. So I'm going to undo that right here. I'm going to put another dot right behind that a little bit. And we'll make it wider so you can see it, get a better view. There we go, perfect. Now I'll undo this, put it right here, and then we'll move it up somewhat to right about there, we'll say. And I'll play it back from here. My 3 tool again. So you saw it move. You saw the format move. See that? So now I've got that there. I may want to bring it back down again. So I go back to my little finger here. I may want to go up a little higher if I get right there. As you can see, and I get right here again, I want to come back down. So I want to go back here, get this little, and make another little one right there. See that? We'll come right back down to where it was at before. Okay? So, now, I'll play it from right about a little bit before it comes in, and you'll see see that? So, now if I like that automation, of course, obviously I can take it and I can copy it. I'll do it several times, actually. I can do the, again, here to the end. And then if I want to, I can make some of these elements louder than the other. Top, I can make this one peak a little more here, and this one peak a little more here, and move it out so it stretches out in that direction. I'm going to get some high and come back real quickly off this effect. And I'll come here, and I'll play it from here. And you see it move right there. And that's how we can automate a plug-in effect within the mix.